Good morning. Um, Below you're gonna find this week's link for new learning. I believe Miss Price and I have updated science and math. This week you'll be learning 2.13, which is all about 3D and plane shapes. I think it's just the square, the rectangular, the cube, the rectangular prism, and a sphere, or the circle, the square, and the rectangle. You'll have to know those shapes and all about them. And then Miss Price has updated science with some fossil learning. Again, we didn't go above and beyond this week because we know, as we'll discuss in a few minutes, that some of you who were given a Chromebook through the school are returning those within the next couple of days. So here's the link to the new learning. We didn't put it underneath Google Classroom. I will put it underneath Clever, just the link in the plans, and you can click on the websites. Or you can access through my teacher webpage. This is the second time doing this because someone started using the bathroom with the door open, so I didn't think that would be something that you all wanted to see. However, I still can't focus because they're still talking. This is the last week of new learning. However, in saying that, if you are looking to work throughout the summer, the information will be left up under Clever and Google Classroom. So if you're somebody who, you haven't been 100% working all along, you can still get to the information through Clever and Google Classroom, so that when you start third grade, you are where you need to be at as far as what you needed to have learned in second grade. So that information will be up. And if you are a student who does work throughout the summer, which is absolutely fine, and you have any questions, parents, on how to access any information that's on there, feel free to contact me as you need. Again, this is the last week of brand new learning. You will see reading. It's kind of just a review this week. And then you will see math and science. It's new. It's just not, specific. Here, do this. You're also going to find when you pick up your belongings for your students that there is a packet inside. And I believe we are going to include some of the shape work that would have been done throughout the week. So those worksheets that I didn't include for math this week on our new learning page, they will be included in a packet that gets sent home to the kids in their belongings when you pick it up. Okay. Off to the side here, you're going to see the number 4 for 4 days left of school. You'll also click underneath here if you want to. This is the number 4 song. It will bring you to a song for the number 4, since we only have 4 days left of second grade. Well, you guys do. I will be in second grade again next year. Here's a few updates or just quick reminders for the week. Pick up and drop off. You're going to pick up your kids' belongings. You're going to drop off anything that needs to be returned back to the school. For example, library books. If you're somebody who has a library book, you can return them then. Or if you have a Chromebook, you can return the Chromebook at that time as well. They are saying that if you're somebody, I know you signed something for the Chromebook, when you received it, if you broke it, lost it, anything that makes it different, they have prices on the letters that they sent home to you for what you need to bring to the school on Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday instead of the Chromebook. If you are someone who broke it, lost it, something happened to it. So that's what it's pick up and drop off. Sorry. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So this week, tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday, you can pick up and drop off at the school. Wednesday and Thursdays from 8 to 3. Friday changes to the afternoon from 2 to 6. Just a little reminder, Miss Lyle, Miss Price, Miss Alcorn, and Miss Hondros will be there from 4 to 6 on Friday afternoon. Lunches. This is the last week for lunch delivery. There will be something during the summer. I just don't know what it is yet. I'm not sure there's a plan yet, but I will let you know and we'll keep you updated as soon as we know about that. The last update is there's a Zoom meeting for second grade. It's going to be all of second grade. We did the same thing last week, and I think that Bratson's the only one that came from our class. It was super fun because you get to see all the kids from the other classroom. So if you're missing some of your friends, not just from our classroom, join us on Thursday at 6 p.m. or 6:30 p.m. We will be wearing our pajamas and eating snacks. So bring a snack and wear your jammies. I think those are all the updates that I had this week. I always tend to remember them after the fact. So I sent out a an email. I'll put it up on Clever underneath that, like lesson plans for the week. Look for May, what is today? 26th through May 27, 28, 29, 30. 30th, am I right today? Is the 26th? 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th. Yeah, 26th. And it's actually through the 29th because I keep thinking today's Monday, but it's not. So, through the 29th. So look for May 26th through the 29th for those lesson plans on Clever. And I have updated the classroom. I've also put the link on Facebook, and the link is in within the first couple sentences on here. If you have any questions or concerns this week, feel free to ask them. And I'm going to try and do this every single morning because, it is our last week. Enjoy.